Hello, my name is Sean DeVore, and I'm coming to you live from Fort White, Florida. I have the distinct honor of being the keynote speaker at the Cleaning Festival in Ocala, Florida in April of 2023. Please follow the link below and find out how easy it is to sign up. There's no charge, and we look forward to seeing every one of you there. I've been in the flooring industry on the commercial side for close to 32 years now, and I've seen almost everything I think you can see in the flooring business. And I've got together with some friends and we talk about maintenance and we learn about different things and different ways to do maintenance. And I think you're going to see things at this show that will help you to facilitate your job a little bit better, more effectively. In my capacity at the show, I'll be talking about drips in a bucket and how the little things in life add up to make big things and how important it is for you to follow and pay attention to the small things in life. I look forward to speaking to each and every one of you, and thank you very much for taking time to listen.